So welcome to this video. In previous video we have already discussed what is design basis and what are the various items and activities covered in design basis. To limit the length of the videos, I have divided it into three parts. In this video we will cover first part. Okay, so we have abbreviations in any design basis. Just to list out what are various abbreviations, I have listed out the common ones here. If you see 2D, 3D, ASME, STM, these are the common words which we generally use in design basis. So we need to understand what is the full forms of all these items. Along with the abbreviations, we are having few definitions. These are the common words which we generally use throughout the design basis. For example, company, contractor, subcontractor. So we need to understand what does this. For example, the company. Shell means owner of the project. For example, Abu Dhabi company for onshore oil operations, referred as ADCO. So ADCO is the company that is a client for a contractor. Contractor means which provides service to the company. Contractor shall mean the party which carry out all or part of the design, engineering and procurement. Okay, so these are the common words which we use throughout the design basis. Subcontractor shall mean the party which provides service to the contractor. If any of the contractor hire some third party to carry out few things, that is called subcontractor. Supplier, vendor, manufacturer shall mean the party which manufactures or supplies equipment, technical document, etc. Okay. Similarly, good material, equipment, services shall mean the equipment, material, or services which the supplier shall be required to provide to the contractor under the term of the order. Okay, so these are the general definitions which are found in all the design bases. So here we are having units, codes and standards. So what kind of unit we are going to use throughout the project? In all the drawings which are deliverables, we have to have some standard. So for example, we are using metric system for measuring as a unit. Okay, so commonly used units are for dimensions, elevation and coordinate. We mention okay millimeters or meter. Okay, for mass, kilogram, force, moment, stress, pressure. So we mentioned what kind of unit system we are going to use throughout the design. Then again, various specifications are used in the project. Company specification, international code and standard. Whatever we are going to use, we have to list out in this design basis, which will be the basis for our complete design. In case of any conflict between documentation, the following order of precedence shall apply. This order of precedence we have to mention in all the design bases. Okay, to resolve any kind of conflict, this will be the basis for contractor. Then piping material requirement. Although in previous videos we have discussed, there is a PMS document where all the things are elaborated in detail. But in design basis, in piping design basis also, we just touch upon few things. So material of construction for individual piping system and specific operating condition shall conform to the requirement of PMS. So this portion will be basis for the piping material specification, that is PMS. So piping special items such as special valves, air traps, etc. shall subject to datasheet showing the actual line design conditions. So all these conditions shall be listed out in piping design basis along with corrosion allowance and allowable stresses. So this will be the basis for PMS. So these are the basic things, few things which we generally have in our design basis. This was the first part as we discussed in 2.1 video of first part of design basis. And in coming videos, we'll discuss another two parts which are various items which we generally cover in design basis. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.